Are you doing this 100 times a day at work? Do you have to do this? Climb up ladders with your tools all day? Do you work all day sitting, either at your office or at home? Lots of neck pain and headaches? Come and see us at Instep Physical Therapy for your work injuries. So, what is a work injury? Very simple answer. Injury happens at work. It can be a desk work, it can be like falling from the ladder, it can be slip and fall in the ice on the parking lot. I'm treating a lot of people on that cases in the last 2 weeks. The school custodians and workers and carpenters in that category. And you can be electrician, can have neck pain. So many areas you can have injuries and so many types of injuries. So when should I go to physiotherapy after workplace injury? The next day. You have to inform your supervisor at work, finish your paperwork. Then if you have to go see a doctor, you should go see your family doctor. Then call your physiotherapist right away, then come in. Do not wait for longer. The sooner you start your rehab program, the faster you recover after your workplace injury. So, what are the common workplace injuries? It can be anywhere from your repetitive strain injuries, post-COVID, slip and fall, concussion head injuries, motor vehicle accidents, or any kind of fractures, sprains, strains in your body. When you visit a physiotherapist in Instep Physiotherapy, what are the common components you go through? First, you call and make an appointment. We do an intake form with you. Then a thorough assessment by your physiotherapist, subject to object history and examination. Then we create a beautiful treatment plan, keeping your goal in mind, the goal of return to work and the goal of return to activity. That in mind, we create a wonderful goal for you. Then we start the treatment, manual therapy modalities, and very exercise-based to recondition your muscles, and a lot of work conditioning based on your job demands, then get you back to work as soon as possible, again with healing. So why you have to choose Instep Physical Therapy for your work injuries rehabilitation? Because we just celebrated our 20 years anniversary treating thousands of work injuries with great outcomes. We directly communicate with your case manager and your employer to make sure that all the plans are in place for you to get back to work. Even if it's a modified duties or gradual return to work, we will plan that for you with ample amount of experience. And we have a great location on the main street on 107th Ave with ample parking. If your care needs multiple disciplines to be involved, we refer you to multidisciplinary approach like psychologist, occupational therapist, or the specialist. And WCB really helps us to speed up that process as well with your case manager's support. Then if you need more treatments, after your set of treatments done, we communicate to your physiotherapy consultant in WCB and get you more treatments if needed for you to return to work. You must be wondering, are all work injuries covered by WCB? Most of them are. If your employer has a WCB insurance covered with them, most of the injuries at work are covered by WCB. Okay? So you can fill out the form with your supervisor, call WCB and inform about your injury and the claim, and then please call your physiotherapist right away. You don't have to wait further at all. And we have very flexible schedule to accommodate based on your work schedule and your life schedule. So at Instep Physical Therapy, we make this process as easy as possible for you. So please click the link below in the description to know what are the steps you're supposed to do and after you get injured at work, and share this information with your friends and family. So have you recently injured at work? Are you very anxious about how you're going to get back to work in this market scenario? Are you worried about disappointing your employer or family? Don't worry anymore. You have come to the right place. Call Instep Physiotherapy. We'll get your treatment started right away.